was just started with a very simple breakfast, and then yeah, it was raining, and we saw that it was really do something with the rain. So we went out, and then we enjoyed a lot. And then yes, it was me over there. Yeah, can I join? And then yeah, it was just like we were young. I remember my childhood days back then. It was really yes. So we decided this time to play, and then yeah, we really enjoyed, and then make the best of our lives just this morning. It was really fun, and we were very thankful to have this kind of experience. Yes, because I think, and I'm really sure that there is really reason why we really met. And these people are really awesome, and I'm very happy to be with them. Actually, yeah, we did so many stuff like Filipino games, and then we introduced and this crazy one, um, crazy friends that we have, because she claimed that she really has a Filipino soul in her blood, and I'm very really happy to know that she has something like that, and I do really appreciate. Actually, yeah, we were running under the rain, and yes, we really had fun together. And I hope that also this friendship that we have right now will last forever. We really appreciate every second. And yeah, I like to be with people who really do crazy stuff. And I guess I met this kind of people here in Kitaorawa. And I'm so lucky. Yes. So I think the people who are watching right now, I hope you enjoy a lot and have a great time seeing us here bathing under the rain. Yeah, because I told you it really started in a very simple breakfast, and then yes, we saw the beautiful place and the beautiful garden in the center, and it was really nice. Yeah, to have it. Yeah, we were playing the Luksong Tinik this time, and yeah, it was really great. So we were like kids. So I think, yeah, that's it. It's a very long story, actually. Yes, I guess this must be there. This must be documented. Yeah, because